my first clean with me video since being here in Canada. This week, it's been crazy. I have completely fallen out of routine and I have not stayed on top of cleaning anything, so it's a little bit messy and I really just need to tidy up. I've got friends coming over this evening to get ready for a Halloween party, which I'm so excited about, and I just really want to do like an end of week clean because I just need to tidy up after myself from just the incredibly busy week that I've had. So I'm gonna go and get onto this because once this is done, I can start getting ready for my Halloween party.
Everything that we could have been, but I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability.
Bedroom is done. I need to really clean up the table. I emptied my bag the other day and there are just receipts everywhere.
You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. Our broken trust got you haunted. The doubt in you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. I know you are my
Kitchen is done. I've actually managed to keep the living room really clean this week. I might just put away this notepad. Might just maybe fluff up some of the cushions, make them look a little bit nicer, but other than that, that's pretty much done. Actually, I'm gonna wipe down the back of that thing, and I also have a camera that I need to put into my electronics drawer.
Oh, what a hopeless case we could be.
On to the hallway. This is a bunch of our Halloween stuff. We're going as Ice Queens, and so I'm really excited to start getting ready. And then I have a nice pile of shoes down here that need to go back into my wardrobe. I went to Nordstrom today and I bought a couple of sweaters. I got this one and then another one coming in the mail. So I'm just gonna put all of this away. All I have to do now is just tidy up my bathroom bench. I'm done and it feels so fresh in here and I'm so ready, but I am starting to run out of time because I'm not only doing my makeup tonight, I've got other people's makeup to do, so I really need to go and have a shower and get ready. If you want to see the costume stuff or whatever, I'm sure I'll have a highlight of some of the stories on my Instagram because that's where I post these kinds of things. So if you'd like to see what we came up with, then definitely go and check that out. And I hope you've enjoyed this little tidy up video with me. It wasn't like a super deep clean, but it was definitely like end of week, I need to clean things up and I have guests coming. So hope you guys have enjoyed. Up the top here, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I will leave a link to another video and I will see you in the next one.